syempre they need to rest too before they give us more performances. And ito ang masaya. Sino ang gusto umakyat mamaya to play some games with us? Alright, you better get ready. Kasi balita ko, totoo ba guys, na your anchors are just as talented sa dancing at singing?
Yes!
Ang galing talaga kasi not only you boys can showcase your dance prowess on stage, pati yung anchors din, they're so passionate and they learn from the best. But it is the holiday season after all. Happy, happy holidays. Tanong lang no, paano ba mag-Merry Christmas in Korean?
Di po din namin alam. Happy New Year! Pero alam ko lang po is Happy New Year.
Happy New Year in, well, malapit na rin mag-New Year. Paano ba?
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. Diba? Ako yung Koreano pero sila yung tumuturo ng Korean dito. Ang galing. Okay, eto I do want to ask you, Marcus, it is the holiday season. Siyempre, Christmas season now. We all love giving gifts. What is the most meaningful gift, Christmas gift, you have ever given and received?
I think this is gonna hit two birds in one stone. And I'm gonna talk specifically about this Christmas. The best gift I ever received is to be here in the Philippines after a long time and seeing yung mga anchors namin ngayon. Because last year it was our first time to celebrate Christmas sa Korea, pero we didn't really get to do it with other people and with our families. So this is definitely a long-awaited moment for all seven.
That's so beautiful. Na-homesick ka ba ng slide before?
Yes, slide.
A little bit.
Yes.
Na-miss mo ang Pilipinas.
Yes.
Ang tanong, na-miss nyo rin ba si Marcos? Yes! Beautiful. So, ano ba yung nasa wishlist mo ngayon? Meron ba specifically?
Siguro makakain ng strawberry taho.
Ano yun?
Makakain ng strawberry taho.
Strawberry taho! Okay, sige. Let's talk to Kim din naman. Kim, if you could spend Christmas anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Saan gusto mo Christmas?
Sa akin po, gusto ko pumunta ng Bacolod kaso na-late na po ako mag-book.
Ay! So, paano na?
So sa mga sister and brother ko na lang po. And ayun, gusto ko sana mag-celebrate kaso so far mahal na yung ticket.
Oh no!
Ayun,
pero masaya pa rin naman yung Christmas kahit saan. Basta na sa Pilipinas.
Pero makipag-video ko na lang sa mga other...
Okay, we super appreciate you spending your time with us here. Lalo na, it's the holiday season. Busy time talaga. What about Tyler? Tyler, if you could plan a perfect Christmas party, what theme would it be and what activities would you have?
Feel ko po parang festival.
Festival? So, an all-out holiday festival?
Yeah. And tingin ko yung pwedeng activities na pwede kong maihatag sa kanila is yung alam niyo yung paper dance.
Yung alin?
Paper dance.
Paper text?
Dance.
Dance.
Yeah.
Paper dance. Paper dance. Paano nga?
For example, like may ka-partner ka. Tapos
yung paliit ng paliit yung paper. Tama ba?
Yeah, that's right.
Parang ang say nun, maraming matutuwa kung may opportunity sila to do the paper dance with Tyler. Sino ba ang willing to do a paper dance with Tyler mamaya? Ay, marami. Pero parang kulang yata yung papel namin. We'll see what we can do. Thank you so much, Kyler. Lastly, Rayster, ano yung favorite Christmas memory mo? And what inspires you during the holidays?
Yung favorite memory ko sa Christmas is lumalabas ako lagi tuwing umaga para magkape.
Pwede naman yata gawin yun kahit hindi Christmas, di ba?
Ang lawit talaga pag
the weather. Ang lamig din ng Pasko dito, no? Minsan, lalo na kung kung single ka ba, gano'n. Okay, thank you so much, boys. You know what? We cannot get enough of you, and we want more performances from you later on. But for now, we're going to give them a quick break. Let's give them another big round of applause. Let them cool off a little bit, maybe drink some water. Maraming salamat, boys. We will see you in a little bit. Pero alam ko kanina pa kayo, no? Yung iba dito, since the afternoon pa. Kaya pa ba ng energy nyo? Parang hindi pa ako ganun ka-convinced, guys. Sa dami-dami ko lang na-host na fan meets.